Many of us find ourselves overwhelmed by daily stresses and challenges. Incorporating a simple yet powerful practice into your evening routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. One such practice is the evening gratitude meditation, which can help shift your mindset and improve your emotional state. Meditation at night can be particularly beneficial as it helps calm the mind and prepare it for restful sleep. Evening meditation provides an opportunity to reflect on the day, release tension, and cultivate a sense of peace before bed. This practice can be a powerful tool for improving both mental and emotional health. By engaging in meditation in the evening, you create a calming ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to unwind. This transition can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy restorative rest. Additionally, evening meditation can enhance your overall sense of well-being by providing a space for reflection and gratitude. It allows you to focus on the positive aspects of your day, which can shift your perspective and improve your mood. Incorporating this practice into your evening routine can lead to more consistent and restful sleep patterns. As you become accustomed to this calming ritual, you may notice a significant improvement in your quality of sleep and overall energy levels. Over time, regular evening meditation can contribute to long-term benefits, including reduced anxiety and enhanced emotional resilience. The simple act of taking a few moments to meditate each night can have a profound impact on your daily life. To begin your evening gratitude meditation, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without interruptions. Creating a serene environment helps enhance the effectiveness of your practice and allows you to fully focus on the meditation process. Start by sitting comfortably with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to center yourself. Focusing on your breath helps calm your mind and prepares you for the meditation. Once you feel settled, begin to reflect on the positive aspects of your day. Consider what you are grateful for, whether it's a kind gesture from a friend, a personal achievement, or a moment of joy. Allow these thoughts to fill your mind and cultivate a sense of appreciation. As you continue to meditate, visualize these positive experiences and emotions. Imagine them expanding and enveloping you in a warm, soothing energy. This visualization can enhance the feelings of gratitude and help reinforce a positive mindset. Conclude your meditation by taking a few more deep breaths and gently bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. This practice of ending on a positive note helps you carry the benefits of the meditation into the rest of your evening. Practicing gratitude meditation can lead to a range of benefits for your mental and emotional health. By focusing on positive aspects of your life, you can shift your perspective away from stress and negativity, which can enhance overall well-being. Research has shown that regular gratitude practice can improve mood and increase overall happiness. By consistently acknowledging what you're thankful for, you reinforce positive thinking patterns and build a more optimistic outlook on life. Gratitude meditation can also reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By concentrating on the positive aspects of your day, you can break the cycle of negative thinking and cultivate a greater sense of emotional stability. Additionally, incorporating gratitude into your meditation practice can improve your relationships. When you focus on the positive qualities and actions of others, it fosters a greater sense of appreciation and strengthens your connections with them. Overall, the benefits of gratitude meditation extend beyond the practice itself. The positive changes in your mindset and emotional state can influence various aspects of your life, including your interactions with others and your overall quality of life. Starting a new meditation practice can come with challenges. It's common to experience difficulty focusing or maintaining a consistent routine. Understanding these challenges can help you navigate them more effectively and stay committed to your practice. One common challenge is finding time for meditation. Busy schedules can make it difficult to prioritize this practice, but setting aside just a few minutes each evening can make a significant difference. Consider incorporating meditation into your nightly routine to make it a regular habit. Another challenge is dealing with a restless mind. It's normal for thoughts to wander during meditation, but gently redirecting your focus back to gratitude can help maintain the effectiveness of your practice. Patience and persistence are key. Some individuals may also struggle with staying consistent. To overcome this, try setting reminders or creating a dedicated meditation space to reinforce your commitment. Consistency is crucial for reaping the full benefits of your practice. Keep in mind that it's okay to experience challenges along the way. Acknowledge them and continue practicing with a gentle approach. Over time, the process will become more natural, and you'll begin to see the positive impact on your life. Incorporating gratitude into your daily life can enhance the benefits of your evening meditation practice. Look for opportunities throughout the day to express gratitude, whether through journaling, verbal acknowledgments, or simple reflections. Start by keeping a gratitude journal where you record daily moments of appreciation. This practice helps reinforce positive thinking and provides a tangible record of the good things in your life. Share your gratitude with others by expressing appreciation for their actions or qualities. This not only strengthens your relationships but also contributes to a positive and supportive environment. Practice mindfulness throughout the day to stay connected to moments of gratitude. By being present and aware, you can better recognize and appreciate the positive aspects of your life as they occur. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine amplifies the benefits of your evening meditation practice. This approach creates a continuous cycle of positivity and enhances your overall well-being. Personalizing your evening gratitude meditation can make it more meaningful and effective. Experiment with different techniques and approaches to find what resonates best with you. Consider incorporating calming elements such as soft music or essential oils into your meditation practice. These additions can create a more relaxing atmosphere and enhance your overall experience. Adjust the duration and timing of your meditation to fit your needs. Some individuals may benefit from longer sessions while others may prefer shorter practices. Customize your routine to ensure it complements your lifestyle and enhances your well-being. Personalizing your practice helps you stay engaged and motivated. By tailoring your meditation to your preferences, you create a more enjoyable and sustainable routine that supports your personal growth. Monitoring your progress can provide valuable insights into the impact of your gratitude meditation practice. Keeping track of changes in your mood, stress levels, and overall well-being can help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Consider maintaining a meditation journal where you record your experiences and observations. This journal can help you reflect on your progress, identify patterns, and assess the effectiveness of your practice. Regularly review your journal entries to gain insights into how gratitude meditation is influencing your life. This reflection can help you recognize improvements in areas where additional focus may be needed. Tracking your progress also allows you to celebrate your successes and milestones. Acknowledging your achievements reinforces your commitment to the practice and provides motivation to continue. Overall, tracking your progress enhances your awareness of the benefits of gratitude meditation and supports your ongoing personal growth. Discuss the positive impact of gratitude meditation with those around you. Sharing your experiences and insights can inspire others to explore similar practices and contribute to a shared sense of well-being. Encouraging others to join you in your practice can also reinforce your own commitment. The shared experience fosters a sense of connection and mutual support, enhancing the overall benefits of the practice. Sharing your practice not only supports your own growth, but also contributes to the well-being of those around you. It creates a ripple effect of positivity and encourages a culture of gratitude and mindfulness. Evaluating the long-term impact of your gratitude meditation practice is important for understanding its effectiveness and sustaining its benefits. Assess how the practice has influenced various aspects of your life over time. Reflect on changes in your emotional state, stress levels, and overall well-being since incorporating gratitude meditation into your routine. Consider both the positive effects and any areas where further improvement is needed. Assess the sustainability of your practice and its incorporation into your daily life. Determine if the practice continues to be enjoyable and beneficial, or if adjustments are needed to maintain its effectiveness. Regularly revisiting your goals and intentions for the practice can help ensure that it remains aligned with your evolving needs. Adjust your approach as necessary to continue experiencing the benefits of gratitude meditation. Evaluating the long-term impact helps you stay connected to the benefits of the practice and ensures that it continues to support your personal growth and well-being. Accepting gratitude meditation as a regular part of your life can contribute to ongoing personal growth and well-being. Make it a priority to continue incorporating this practice into your routine for sustained benefits. Stay open to exploring new techniques and approaches that enhance your practice. Experimenting with different methods can keep your routine fresh and engaging, supporting continued growth. Consider setting new goals and intentions for your gratitude practice as you progress. This proactive approach helps you stay motivated and focused on achieving your personal growth objectives. Consistency and commitment are key to maximizing the benefits of gratitude meditation. By incorporating this practice into your daily life, you create a foundation for long-term well-being and fulfillment. Accepting gratitude meditation as a lifelong practice supports your ongoing journey of personal growth and transformation. The positive impact extends beyond the practice itself, influencing various aspects of your life. Incorporating an evening gratitude meditation into your routine can lead to significant improvements in your emotional well-being and overall quality of life. By focusing on positive aspects and cultivating a sense of appreciation, you can enhance your mental and emotional health. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on personal growth and transformation. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable insights and tips.